Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Zolnorin. Today we will learn how to connect keypad with Arduino. Create a blank project to design the circuit on Tinkercad. Search the Arduino Uno in the search box and drag it to blank space. Now search the keypad in the search box and drag it to the blank space. This keypad have 4 rows and 4 columns. There are total 8 pins. 4 pins for 4 rows and 4 for 4 columns. Connect the first row with the digital pin 9 of the Arduino. Connect the second row with the digital pin 8 of the Arduino. Connect the third row with the digital pin 7 of the Arduino. Connect the fourth row with the digital pin 6 of the Arduino. Connect the first column with the digital pin 5 of the Arduino. Connect the second column with the digital pin 4 of the Arduino. Connect the third column with the digital pin 3 of the Arduino. Connect the fourth column with the digital pin 2 of the Arduino. Press the code button and change it to the text form. Paste the code given in the description of video. In this code, first of all we imported the Arduino library for keypad. As keypad have 4 rows and 4 columns. So we defined a 2-dimensional array with data type of character with 4 rows and 4 columns. We also assigned the character value to this array according to mentioned on the keypad. Then define 2 separate bytes with the name of row pins and column pins and assign them the value of Arduino pins which we connected with keypad. As row 1 connected with D9, so we put 9 as first value and row 2 with D8 and put 8 as second value. Row 3 connected with D7 and put 7 as third value of byte. In the same way, we assign the value of column pins byte as well. Now, it's time to call the keypad function, which takes 5 variables as input and save it into object of keypad. Let's change its name to ABC keypad. First variable is keymap, which map what we defined in the array. 2 and 3 is the byte which have the information of connection. 3 and 4 tell about the number of rows and columns. In the void loop, we check either key is pressed or not. If key is pressed, then we save this information in the variable name as key pressed, then we print it on the serial monitor. Press the button Start Simulation and enjoy. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel for more.